Hey guys, and welcome back. So, did you know that Walmart made their own version of popular candy bars? Because I've never heard anybody talk about them, and I saw them at the store. I'm like, what the heck? Since when is this? So here's this one. It's the Great Value brand. It just says peanut, caramel, and nougat bar. So I'm assuming this one is like a Snickers, right? Or is that Milky Way? No, I think that's Snickers. Oh wait. Peanut. No, that'd be Snickers because Snickers has peanuts. Then there's this one that just says cookie and caramel bars or caramel. So I'm assuming this is like caramel Twix. It's so funny seeing them. This one is the milk chocolate crispy wafers. So like a Kit Kat. And then this one says milk chocolate fluffy nougat bars. So I think this is like Three Musketeers. So let's just try it. Let's just try the one that's, I think, Snickers. I'll tell you in a second. We'll see if that's what it tastes like. It looks like a Snickers. Is it Snickers or horror? It doesn't taste just like a Snickers. What does it taste like? I'm trying to think of what other candy bar has peanuts in it. Because Milky Way doesn't have peanuts. So if this is supposed to be a Snickers, which I think it is, doesn't quite get it. It's not bad, but it's definitely not a Snickers. Let's try their version of Kit Kat. If I can get it open. That's missing something. Could be a Snickers. But I do have a Snickers Rocky Road. Like, what is that? What is it? Rocky Road Snickers. I can get this Twix one open, so we're just gonna cut it. Not Twix, Kit Kat. All right. So here's this one. Looks just like Kit Kat, but without the Kit Kat logo in it. Let's give it a try. This one's close. This one's really close. Like if I took a bite of this, I would probably think this was a Kit Kat. The Snickers one, no. But this one, yeah. If I didn't know, I would think that was a regular Kit Kat. That one's real close. All right. Now here's the one that's supposed to be a Twix. This one's close, which is not quite it. This one, the caramel's like hard. It doesn't have a whole lot of flavor either. Like Twix has really good flavor. So there's that one. Did I even show you the Kit Kat? Yeah, that one reminds me of like by the Little Debbie's, the bars, like the cookie bars. Not quite there on the Twix. Three Musketeers. I love Three Musketeers. I'm pretty sure that's what that one is. Did I even show you these up close? Gave it to you. Yeah. Twix one's just, it's not quite there. They're close, but they need to do a little bit more work. All right. Three Musketeers. I love Three Musketeers, so let's see. Here's the bar. The Twix was just 4 individual of those sticks, but all right, should we look at it or should we just bite into it? Okay, here's what it looks like inside. Doesn't quite look as like light and fluffy as Three Musketeers, but that one's close also. But the inside stuff, it's just too dense on this one. Because Three Musketeers, they're like light and fluffy on the inside. I like to take the chocolate off the outside of them and just eat that nougat center. That one's close too, with the texture. It's just not, it's not the light and fluffy texture. It's still good, but if I wanted to treat myself to a candy bar, I would just buy the real thing. They just aren't quite there. Like I said, the Kit Kat, I wouldn't know a difference. The other ones, I would think, what the heck is wrong with this candy bar? If I didn't know it was the off-brand. I mean, they're all good. But let me know if you've tried any of those and what you thought of them. There's not quite there. Good try, though, Walmart. Good try. All right, that's it for this video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.